Hey, welcome back to Crypto Geek Girl. Today we're tackling a big question. What exactly is cryptocurrency? No hype, no jargon, just the good stuff in under 3 minutes. So, what is crypto? Think of it as digital money that lives online. You can send it, store it, trade it. But here's the twist. There's no bank or middleman involved. It runs on something called a blockchain, which is basically a public, super secure digital ledger. Imagine a notebook that everyone can see, but no one can secretly edit. Every time someone makes a crypto transaction, it's recorded on that blockchain forever, like receipts that can't get lost under your couch cushions. That's what makes crypto transparent and trustless, meaning you don't need to trust a company or government to handle your money. The system itself does the job. The OG of crypto is Bitcoin, created back in 2009. Since then, thousands of other coins have popped up. Ethereum, Solana, XRP, each with their own purpose. Some are like digital cash, some power apps and smart contracts, and others represent digital collectibles, like NFTs. At its core, cryptocurrency is about freedom and control. It lets people send value instantly, anywhere in the world. No banks, no borders, no business hours. That's powerful, but fair warning. It's also risky, volatile, and not something you YOLO into without learning first. The truth? Crypto isn't just money, it's a movement. It's changing how we think about ownership, privacy, and opportunity online. So even if you're not trading coins yet, understanding crypto means understanding the future of money. And that's crypto. Explained in under 3 minutes, no fluff, no confusion, and hopefully, no yawns. If that made things click, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart, simple crypto explained the Geek Girl way. This is Crypto Geek Girl, smart, simple, crypto.